Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda, and today we are going to make some strawberry protein overnight oats. It's a super simple breakfast to make ahead of time. You can even make a couple at a time to have in the fridge to grab when you're running out the door in the morning or when you're just like a mom of two like me and you're busy in the morning. So let's make these together. Go ahead and take your glass you're going to be using and set it on your scale, and then zero out your scale. Make sure you have it set to grams, and then add 30 grams of oats. We're gonna zero that out, and then we're gonna add 6 grams of flaxseed, zero it out, 1 scoop of protein powder, zero that out. Add our strawberries, which will be about 40 grams. Zero out, and then change it to ounces. And you're going to add about 5 ounces of almond milk. Place your lid on your jar and shake. And then we're going to place this in the fridge. Just wanted to say thanks for joining me on this quick and easy breakfast recipe. If you like recipes like this, definitely give it a thumbs up, comment below, make sure you're subscribed, and then I'll see you at my next video.